Good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahabar, your social science teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter number 2, the clothes we wear. In this chapter, students, you will learn about the clothes which we wear regular in our life or in occasions as well as on festivals. The main content of this chapter, that is the common clothes, the clothes which we wear regularly. The second is traditional clothes, the clothes which belongs to a particular state. The third one is casual dresses. Casual dresses, that means the dresses which we wear in office and etc. or to go out. The fourth one is occasional clothes, the clothes which we wear on weddings as well as on festivals. So students, let's get started. Students, you all know India is a vast country which having different diversities and different culture of peoples live here, and they are different religions also. So India is a combination of different religions, culture as well as many seasons take place in India, as the clothes that people wear depends on the climate and season also. The people also wear clothes different in different occasion. In India, people dress differently in different region. The climate of the Kashmir is called, you know all that the Kashmir climate is cold throughout the year. So people there wear woolen clothes. So the people wear woolen clothes. Similarly, the climate of Tamil Nadu is too hot. So the peoples wear light cotton clothes in Tamil Nadu. So you can see now India is a vast country and there is something different in Kashmir, and that is just opposite in Tamil Nadu, that in Kashmir it is very cold but in Tamil Nadu it is very hot. So students, first we will come to a first topic, that is common clothes. These are some common clothes worn throughout the country. Some common clothes which we worn throughout the countries are, that is sari, salwar kameez, kurta pajama and shirt and trousers. These are the common clothes which are worn by the man as well as the humans in our country. The next we will come to the traditional clothes. The traditional clothes for the man. So students, what is the meaning of traditional clothes? The clothes which belongs to a particular state or the people of that states wear that type of clothes that are called as traditional clothes of that state. So kurtas with dhoti, pajama and lungi are most common in northern and eastern central India. So students, kurta, lungis and pajamas are most common in the eastern as well as in northern India, and in northern and southern India kurta and lungi are most common, because in northern and southern India people wears kurta and lungi. The man wears kurta and lungi. Now we will come to the next state, that is Gujarat. In Gujarat, people wear angrakha and dhoti. This is the angrakha which peoples wear with dhotis. So peoples in Gujarat wear angrakha and dhoti. Now the next we will come to the turban caps. In some regions of a country, countrymans wear turban or caps. These are called as turbans or cap. They are the different styles of turban and the caps which were worn in different regions of the different states. So as you can see in the picture, the first man was wearing the turban which belongs to Punjab, and the second one is wearing the turban which belongs to Rajasthan, and the third one is wearing the turban which belongs to Gujarat. These all are the caps which were worn in the different states. This is of Punjab, this is of Rajasthan and this is of Gujarat. Students, we will come to our next topic, that is traditional clothes or women wears. Women in India wears different kinds of colorful clothes. You all know that because you have seen your mama and your aunties who wear different type of colorful clothes. The sari is the most common and widely used clothes by women in India. In different parts of India, saris were worn. You all know that sari is the main costume which humans wear in most of the time. The way of the wearing belongs to the state of that particular state. Now, how the people wear the dress belongs to that one particular state. As you can see in the image, that this is a woman which is wearing a ghagra, kaach and orni, and this dress belongs to Rajasthan. So ghagra, kaach and orni is a traditional dress for women of Rajasthan. The next traditional dress is the state which belongs to Assam. Assam is a state where the women of Assam wear hadal and chadar. This is the dress which the Assam state women wear. The next is the Nagaland traditional dress. This woman is wearing the Nagaland traditional dress. So for Nagaland, this type of traditional dress are worn by the women. Next is the Haryana state. Haryana state women wears ghagra and kurta. So ghagra and kurta is the traditional dress of Haryana women. The next traditional clothes is the clothes for the women which they wear in Kashmir. So Kashmir is the state where women wear salwar and firan. So traditional dress of Kashmir of women of Kashmir is salwar and firan. Student, as you can look in the picture, how the women are looking very beautiful. They are looking very beautiful. So students, the next topic is the casual dresses. The dresses which we wear when we go outside. Most of the people wear casual dresses like jeans, pants, shirts, skirts and capris, etc. There are many different type of casual dresses which people wear many times in their day. So t-shirt, jeans and skirt, these are the casual dresses. Sometimes we wear these casual dresses for going outside, or sometimes when we go to office we also wear these type of dresses sometimes. So these are the casual dresses. Now students, we will come to the next topic, that is occasional clothes. Occasional means a cloth which we wear only on occasion, that means like festivals or in weddings. On wedding and festival, people wear expensive clothes. Wears suit and tie or sherwani with churidar pajamas, and the women wears silk and brocade saris with heavy embroideries. As you can see in the picture, this is the sari with having a heavy embroideries. So student, then the last topic is of wedding clothes. Wedding clothes means that the clothes which we wear in wedding. That means, as you can see in this picture, the woman is wearing a wedding dress, as this man is wearing also a wedding dress. So now students, this chapter is finished. So people in different regions of country wear different types of clothes according to the season and climate of that place. Kurtas are widely used by the men in our country. Sari is the most common used clothes by the women. Trousers and t-shirts are the most common clothes worn by the men living in the different cities. Women wear different traditional clothes in different states of India. On wedding and festival, people wear expensive clothes. So students, like this, our chapter is finished now, and if there is any query or doubt, you can ask me freely. Students, thanks for watching this video. Wears suit and tie or sherwani with churidar pajamas, and the women wears silk and brocade saris with heavy embroideries. As you can see in the picture, this is the sari with having a heavy embroideries. So student, then the last topic is of wedding clothes. Wedding clothes means that the clothes which we wear in wedding. That means, as you can see in this picture, the woman is wearing a wedding dress, as this man is wearing also a wedding dress. So students, now we will take a small brief that now we know that peoples in different regions of a country wear different clothes according to the season and the climate of that place. Kurtas are widely used by the men in a country. Sari is the most commonly used clothes by the women. Trousers and t-shirts are the most common clothes worn by the men living in different cities. Women wear different traditional clothes in different states of India. On wedding and festival, people wear different clothes. So students, now this chapter has finished. Thanks for watching this video, and students, if there is any curious doubt, you can ask me anytime.